Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Dodge Durango key fob. First, you will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This will help you see all the small parts clearly and prevent any accidental damage. Remember to always be gentle when handling electronics. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key slides out. Take your flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob casing. They should come apart with minimal effort, revealing the internal components. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. And on another note, keeping things organized is key, whether it's your car or your kitchen. Make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and tidy. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once open, you'll see the old battery. Pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or your fingers. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing up, just like the old one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.